Oh, okay. With Cyrus and Tina, very chilled out people to work with, क्योंकि उनकी जो energy है, it's pretty sorted. वो जानते हैं उन्हें क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So it was a good experience to work with them, and especially for an actor who hasn't, like, it was the first time I worked with them. So, like from day one, we had that energy where there was no inhibitions, no nervous energy नहीं थी. तो काफी अच्छा लगा इनके साथ काम करके.
As you mentioned, you are a daughter of one of the veteran.
Yeah, action director. Yeah.
So does the creative decision is taken by you or your father?
Well, my father, he's always aware of the work I'm involved in, and लेकिन वो ज़्यादा interfere नहीं करते in the sense ही because I'm an artist and I have a mind of my own. We all, we all have like a mind of our own, and I'm an artist. I can't be like told by someone what to do or what not to do, and I very smartly select my projects. So there hasn't been any problem. My parents are quite supportive.
But what really inspired to become an actress? Is it was the background of yours?
Yeah, actually, initially मुझे action director बनना था. Looking at my dad, he's done over 300 films and all that. So, लेकिन eventually when I kind of grew up and I went to acting school and I saw my interest, and then I just ended up, I started as an assistant director and now I'm acting full-fledged.
Last question beside this movie, we have worked in Bagrapur and Peddlers.
Yeah.
Talking about the Peddlers,
Peddlers.
You told that it had been in the film festival.
Yeah.
What is the subject of the movie and what kind of role you're playing in the movie?
Peddlers is a story about this guy. I mean, look, I have a very, I don't have, we just shot for like 3-4 days. I don't have a big part in it, but like the film opens with me. So it is not like a miss and blink wala scene, You will evidently like notice me out there. And see, I always go by my instincts, when I meet any filmmakers. Like, इनके film में भी मेरा ज़्यादा काम नहीं है, लेकिन जो है, I'm at the plot point of a film, so I'm pretty important. So, like, I get a. ये है Bakrapur.
You're playing a role in it.
Yes. I'm playing a plain Jane in that film. It was out last year, and अभी वो abroad में और भी film festivals में screen होने वाली है. And वो experience काफ़ी अच्छा था because उसमें I was playing a simple village girl, and it being my first film, आज when I look back, I see that I could have been much more better as compared to what I am today.
Working on other projects as well.
Yeah, besides that, I'm just, now working on my solo performance. I'm looking forward to that. तो उसके लिखने का काम हो रहा है. And then I'm reading 2 scripts right now. So I'll see what I like, and then I will be in a better spot to talk about it.
Thanks and congrats.
Thank you so much.
वही लोग सोचते हैं कोई आया नहीं, क्या है चक्कर, कोई नहीं है.
To support the movie as such.
I think basically the main attraction is that it's a very young film and it's made by people with their own inner efforts and a very creative thought. And if an intellectual and intelligent creative person like Srijit Sarkar is supporting it, then of course it has to be a good film.
तो सुजीत सरकार is supporting the movie. सुजीत सरकार ने Brilliant Movies like Madras कैंपस है, तो उनके डायरेक्शन के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे, किस तरह के डायरेक्टर हैं?
I think Srijit sir has also made a film called Yahan, and I've been closely watching his work. He is a person who really believes in detailing of everything from a frame to a shot to a scene. I think he's the person any actor would love to and die to work for.
And offbeat films का एक रेंज आ रहा है. पहले क्या था कि बिग बजट मूवी के लिए लोग इंतजार कर रहे थे, अभी offbeat फिल्म को लोग लाइक करते हैं, तो कितना ये पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट आपको लगता है फिल्म के हिसाब से?
Offbeat? What is offbeat?
Offbeat is not no big star cast in the movie as such. A very simple star cast with a very ordinary storyline. Film को accept करते हैं.
See, I don't know this terminology called as offbeat or simple starcast. Or I think script is the main concern, and if it's a brilliant script, you do it with anybody, it will definitely be received nicely by the audience. That's what I feel.
Talking about your profession, like what are you doing right now?
I have just auditioned for another film, and hopefully it should go on floors by June. Thanks.